guys, welcome to another interesting and exciting video on my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the top 10 richest men in Nigeria in 2022. Nigeria has over time proven to be richly blessed with highly intellectual individuals who through hard work, creativity and resilience has dedicated themselves to the country's economic growth. Nigeria are called giant of Africa due to its population, economy, natural resources and market potentials. So today I'll be giving you an insight about the richest men in Nigeria. These men are men of class and caliber. They own multi-million-dollar conglomerate and sit on board of directors of various high-profile multinational companies both in Nigeria and overseas. These high-profile men have net worth running in billions of dollars, not naira. They have expensive cars and live in multi-million-dollar mansions. One look at their expensive car collection will definitely blow your mind. Beyond their luxurious and expensive cars and mansions, they stay in one of the most expensive estates in Africa and owns private jet and super expensive yachts. So today, I'll be revealing their true source of wealth, company's name, cars, mansions, and their mouth-watering net worth. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating, and exciting content. You can also follow me on Instagram at Official Cheesy Media. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Cletus Ibeto, who hails from Anambra State in the eastern part of Nigeria, is the CEO of Ibeto Group, one of the largest business enterprises from the industrial city of Nnewi. In 1985, he was one of the highest importers of automobile spare parts, battery, plastic accessories, and many more before he completed his factory there in Nnewi and started production of those things, and later became one of the highest and biggest automobile spare parts production company in Nigeria. He later ventured into cement importation and finishing. He was one of the highest competitors of Dangote Cement. If not for the biased political policies by former President Olusegun Obasanjo that crippled his factories and made Dangote a sole importer and producer of cement in Nigeria for many years, Cletus Ibeto by now would be one of a serious contender of the richest men in Africa. Even with that, he never relents, with his business enterprise scattered all over Nigeria and abroad, from hotels to oil and gas to real estate and many more. He has an estimated net worth of $2.2 billion. Jimoh Ibrahim is a Nigerian businessman, entrepreneur, and oil magnate. He hails from Ondo State, Nigeria. The story of Jimoh Ibrahim is the true definition of grace to grace. He was born into a poor family. His father was a bricklayer, while his mother was a fish seller. He studied law in Femi Otedola University. Jimoh Ibrahim is the CEO of Global Fleet Group and Nikon Group, a conglomerate that has interests in oil and gas, airways, hotels, insurance, real estate, and many more. They have branches in Asia and United Kingdom. He owns different luxurious cars and expensive mansions worth over $30 million. Jimoh Ibrahim has an estimated net worth of $2.5 billion. Orji Uzor Kalu is a businessman, entrepreneur, and the former governor of Abia State. He was born on the 21st April 1960. He hails from Abia State, Nigeria. Many people fail to realize that before Orji Uzor Kalu went into politics, he had already become a successful businessman. He is the CEO of Slok Holdings, a conglomerate that deals in oil and gas, marine transportation services including offshore support and deep sea transportation. It is the biggest marine transportation company in Nigeria that single-handedly owns, operates and manages its own fleet. He is also the owner of Daily Sun newspaper, the Telegraph newspaper, and also a senator in his constituency. He owns two expensive private jets worth over 2 billion naira and other expensive and luxurious cars. He owns a private yacht worth over $10 million. Orji Uzor Kalu has an estimated net worth of $3 billion. Pascal Dozie is a Nigerian businessman, entrepreneur, and the founder of Diamond Bank Nigeria PLC before it was sold and merged with Access Bank. He was the managing director of the Diamond Bank from 1999 to 2006 before he handed it over to his son Abdulsamad Rabiu, but due to poor management, the bank was liquidated. Pascal Dozie is a quiet billionaire who hails from Ebu in Imo State, Nigeria. He is also a major shareholder in MTN and one of the lead team that brought MTN to Nigeria. Pascal Dozie has an estimated net worth of $5 billion. Elumelu is a Nigerian businessman and philanthropist. He was born on the 22nd March 1963. He is the youngest, richest man in Nigeria. He hails from Onichuku in Delta State, Nigeria. He is the chairman of UBA, United Bank of Africa, which he acquired through a merger from Standard Trust Bank in 2005. He is also the chairman of Health Holding, a conglomerate that deals in oil and gas, real estate, telecommunication, and many more. He is also the chairman of Transcorp Group. Elumelu owns 3 private jets and other luxurious cars such as Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, Bentley, and many more. He owns an exotic yacht worth over $2 million. Elumelu has an estimated net worth of $5.5 billion. Prince Arthur Eze is regarded as the richest Igbo man. He is a businessman, philanthropist, and an oil magnate. He is the CEO of Atlas Oranto Petroleum, the largest holder of oil exploration blocks in Africa, and currently has 22 oil and gas licenses in 12 jurisdictions across Africa, with over 12 African countries. Prince Arthur Eze comes from a royal family in Ukpo in Anambra State. He studied mechanical and chemical engineering in the University of California. He is also the founder of Trias Airlines. Prince Arthur Eze has one of the most sophisticated security teams that follows him wherever he goes. He owns 3 private jets worth over 20 billion naira each, Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, and many more. Prince Arthur Eze has an estimated net worth of $8 billion. Abdulsamad Rabiu is a Nigerian billionaire, entrepreneur, and industrialist, well known for his expertise in commodity trading. He is the founder and chief executive officer of Bua Group, a Nigerian conglomerate that specializes in cement production, agriculture, real estate, logistics, and port operations. He hails from Kano, northern part of Nigeria. He owns the second largest sugar refinery in Africa. First is by Dangote. Abdulsamad has an estimated net worth of $8.5 billion. Femi Otedola is one of the richest men in Nigeria. He is a businessman, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and an oil mogul. He was born on the 4th November 1962 in Ibadan. He is the father of Nigerian disc jockey DJ Copy. He is the founder of Fort Oil. 2 years ago, he sold his shares in the company in a deal worth over $250 million. He is also the chairman of Zenon Petroleum and Gas Limited. He owns over 500 gas stations in Nigeria. In December 2021, Femi Otedola ventured into the world of finance by purchasing a stake in First Bank Holdings, and he became a major shareholder with a 7.5% stake in the company, a deal worth over $150 million. Femi Otedola has one of the most expensive and luxurious mansions in Banana Island, Lagos. He owns 4 private jets and other luxurious cars. He also owns a private yacht worth over $10 million. He also gifted his 3 daughters 3 Ferrari on the same day, worth over $2 million. Femi Otedola has an estimated net worth of $9 billion. Mike Adenuga is a renowned businessman, entrepreneur, and oil magnate. He was born on the 29th April 1953 in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. He is the founder of Globacom, the second biggest and largest telecommunication network in Nigeria. His company Globacom controls about 28% of telecommunication network in Nigeria. Apart from that, he is also into oil and gas. He is the chairman of Con Oil. The company owns about 6 oil blocks in Nigeria and also about 800 filling stations nationwide. Mike Adenuga has an estimated net worth of $10 billion. Aliko Dangote needs no introduction. He is not just the richest man in Nigeria, but also the richest in Africa at large. He was born on the 10th April 1957 in Kano, northern part of Nigeria, to a very wealthy family. It was reported that Dangote's grandfather, Alhaji Hassan Dantata, was once the richest man in Africa in 1955. Aliko Dangote made his money through importation and production of cement, even though the government assisted him in that by granting him monopoly in the cement importation and production. But still, he has expanded in building oil refineries. He owns one of the biggest sugar refineries in Africa, salt refineries, fertilizer refineries, and many more. Aliko Dangote has an estimated net worth of $13.1 billion. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Drop your comments below and tell us what you think about this video, and do you agree that these our billionaires are not doing enough to elevate poverty in the country? Tell us what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.